Meta stock, the ultimate wealth-building opportunity you can't afford to miss. Imagine this, a single stock that could change your financial future forever. A stock that's not just about social media anymore. It's about the future of technology, virtual reality, and even how we live our lives. This is Meta, and if you're not paying attention to it right now, you could be missing out on the opportunity of a lifetime. But here's the question. Is Meta stock a golden ticket to wealth or a ticking time bomb? Stick around, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break it all down for you. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Section 1. The Meta Revolution. Let's start with the big picture. Meta isn't just Facebook anymore. It's a tech giant diving headfirst into the metaverse, artificial intelligence, and cutting-edge innovations that could redefine the next decade. Think about it. Virtual reality meetings, digital economies, and even AI assistants that know you better than you know yourself. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now, and Meta is leading the charge. Now I know what you're thinking, but isn't the metaverse just a bunch of people running around in VR headsets looking like confused robots? Well, yes, for now, but here's the thing. Every revolutionary idea starts somewhere. Remember when people thought smartphones were just fancy calculators? Which brings me to my next point, Meta's stock price. Let's talk numbers, because this is where things get exciting, or scary, depending on how you look at it. Section 2. The stock roller coaster. Meta's stock has been on a wild ride. In 2021, it hit an all-time high of over $380. Then in 2022, it plummeted to under $90. That's a 75% drop. If you had invested at the peak, you'd be sweating bullets right now. But here's the kicker. Since then, it's been climbing back up. As of today, it's hovering around $300. So what's going on? Is this a comeback story or just another bubble waiting to burst? Ask yourself this. If you had invested $1,000 in Meta at its lowest point, how much would you have today? I'll give you the answer later, but trust me, it's going to blow your mind. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Competition, because Meta isn't the only player in this game. Section 3. The competition. Apple, Google, Microsoft, they're all eyeing the metaverse and AI space. And let's be real, these companies have deep pockets and massive resources. So can Meta keep up, or will it get crushed by the competition? Here's the thing, Meta has one major advantage, its user base. Over 3 billion people use its platforms every month. That's a third of the planet, and that kind of reach is hard to ignore. Plus, let's not forget, Mark Zuckerberg isn't just building the metaverse. He's basically living in it. Have you seen his VR avatar? Dude's committed. If that's not confidence, I don't know what is. But here's the real question. Should you invest in Meta? Let's break it down. Section 4. Should you invest? Investing in Meta isn't for the faint of heart. It's a high-risk, high-reward play. If you believe in the future of the metaverse and AI, this could be your ticket to massive gains. But if you're the type who loses sleep over market volatility, you might want to think twice. Remember, the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. And here's something you need to know. Meta's next earnings report is just around the corner. If it beats expectations, the stock could skyrocket. But if it misses, well, let's just say it could get ugly. So what's the smart move? I'll tell you in a minute. Section 5. The verdict. Here's the bottom line. Meta is a bet on the future. It's not just a stock, it's a vision of what's possible. But like any investment, timing is everything. The question is, are you ready to take the leap, or will you sit on the sidelines and watch someone else get rich? And remember that $1,000 investment I mentioned earlier? If you'd invested at Meta's lowest point, you'd have over $3,000 today. That's the power of timing the market. So what's next for Meta? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, you don't want to miss out. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about building wealth through smart investments, check out my next video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who's ready to take control of their financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.